Hello guys, this is Vemar. Let's start with new video today. As we have already studied about the present perfect continuous tense, so today we will study the use of since and for. These are the two prepositions that are very confusing sometimes because most of the students are there who do not understand actually how to use the since and how to use for. Sometimes they get confused with this. Sometimes they place the for in the place of a since and sometimes they place the since in the place of for. So let us remove this confusion and learn about where to use the since and where to use the for. So it's very simple. I have written that where to use since and where to use the for. Since is used to point out a time, for the point of a time. Actually, when we are using the since, we are actually ensuring, we are telling that when an action was started. So when we want to tell or when we want to ensure that when an action was started, we will use the since. For since for the point of time and for the period of time. Period of time means here we will not tell that when the action was started, but actually we will be referring that how long it has been since that action has been started and it has been in a progress. Okay, so this is how do we use the for. And I have written some common examples. She has been reading novels since 2003. So now you can see this. Reading novels from 2003. Actually we are referring, we are telling that when this action of reading novels started, it was started in 2003. So when we tell that when an action was started to the point of time, to a specific time when the action was started, we use this sense. Okay. And for she has been reading novels for 22 years. Now see this, we are not telling that when she had begun to read the novels, but actually we are telling how long it has been she has been reading the novels. It has been almost 22 years since she has been reading the novels. So when we are telling that how long it has been, we use this for. But when we tell when an action was started, or we are telling referring to that specific point of an action, we use since. So let us go with some uses that might help you in a great extent. Since with the name of days means name of days like Monday, Tuesday, Friday, whatever the names, seven names of the month, days are there. We use this since with these. They have been protesting against us since Monday. Now we are see this Monday. Monday, why we are using the since here? Because that is the specific point of an action. That's why we are using since. So with the names of days, we use since in present perfect continuous tense. And then we use the for with the number of days. Means we are telling about the how many days it has been since that action was started. I have been recording videos for 3 days. So how many days has it been since I am recording the videos? 3 days. So when we are telling the number of days, we use for. When we take the name of day, we use since. But when we tell the number of days, then we use this for. Okay, like for 3 days. So we are telling the number of days. And then we use since with the names of months. When there is a month, name of any month, that is the specific point of an action to be started. That's why we use the since there. Pakistan has been making advancements in field of science since February. Now see this, February is a month that is a particular or a specific point when the Pakistan began to make a progress. That's why we have used this since. So since is used for the months. When we are introducing the name of a month in a sentence in a present perfect continuous, we are actually highlighting the specific point of an action. So for that specific point of an action, we use since. And then we have for with the number of months. Now here we are not telling that in which month that action was started, what is that specified month, but we are actually telling how many months has it been. How many months has been since that started. So when we use the number of months, we tell the number of months for that action, we use the for. Ali has been preparing for 3 months. See this, we are telling this number for 3 months, so we are using for. When we tell the number of days, number of the months, we use for. But when we tell the number of year, name of that year, or the name of month, name of the day, we use the since. So this was all about the sense and fun. I hope you will enjoy this video, learn a lot from this video, and then I will keep on uploading such videos today. Thanks so much for watching.